These are my Millionaire Bars.
Oh!
And it's $1 million before taxes.
Oh, well, before taxes. Well,
All right.
these are thousandaire bars now.
Thousandaire bars. Okay, very simple. We're gonna make a crust, okay? Butter, sugar, vanilla.
Okay.
And then we're just gonna use a whisk for this one, and then we're gonna discard the whisk once it's dissolved.
And I see we've got the cross
the
section.
cradle, cross cradle, I call it.
Flour, very simple.
Wow, this is like
very simple.
All right, you're gonna...
Eggs, sugar, flour.
That's it.
Done. I got you.
And then we're gonna get and make a caramel.
Ooh, caramel.
Kind of a caramel.
Is it the same as a caramel?
Same as caramel. Well, we put the butter right here. And then we put corn syrup. You can't see it, it's weird, until you touch it.
I know, I thought it was an empty bowl from over by here.
Brown sugar. Oh, yeah. And our favorite,
Sweet and
sweet
condensed.
and condensed milk. Look at this. This is just glorious stuff.
That is.
It just makes everything good. And then we're gonna add vanilla.
You have the butter, you have the sugar, but the sweet and condensed milk. Why that addition instead of just going normal dairy route?
I don't know, I like this better. I think when you taste the layering, you'll know. Okay?
I also think it makes it
That's going in.
creamier.
Yeah, you're going in. And then I have another one over there. Would you bring it back?
Know it.
So you're gonna let this sort of hang out and sort of chill out here. You don't want
Okay.
it to be warm when you put it
And this
inside.
is cooled too.
See
huh?
that? Look how good that is. All right? See that?
Ooh, wow,
Pretty.
shortbread. Right? Look at this. Shortbread.
We're gonna put it on top
And
here.
obviously, so important, Geoffrey, to let this cool
Yes.
enough before adding that caramel
Yes.
on top so it doesn't melt and become a hot mess.
Hot mess. We don't want a hot mess.
Not at a tea party.
We have the shortbread, right? We have the caramel, right? What do we need next? Chocolate!
Peanut butter cups. What?
Chocolate! We have a little cream here. Corn syrup.
I mean, I would take peanut butter and chocolate over the top too. That would be yummy.
Yes.
Chocolate chips, just dump them in.
Smart.
Very simple. It's hot, it's not boiling, okay?
For
Just
being
gonna-
millionaire bars, these are awful easy.
These are very easy.
Well, it's easy to be a millionaire according to GZ. You just wake
Gotta
up
work
and kiss
hard.
the air.
It's more difficult to be a 10 millionaire, such as myself. Listen, life comes with a lot of stress and pressure at that stage.
So we're just gonna put these here, pour this
Double
on,
down.
get it, put it inside, and just let this chocolate cool down a bit. Get it in the fridge, let that cool down a bit, and then we're gonna finish.
Really like a little candy bar, Geoffrey.
I cannot wait.
I feel like you'll just need a little bite of these.
Yeah.
Okay,
gonna be
would you put that back in
rich.
for me?
Yeah, do you want me to kind of tilt to the edge?
If you can, but I'm gonna put a little secret magic just before you put it in.
Okay.
Come over here.
Oh,
Do it.
Got to.
flaky sea sauce.
Oh,
Flaky sea salt.
Yeah.
There's a British brand that I love. Okay, it's time.
It's time. Get those bars out.
Let me take out my wallet.
Look at that
Wow.
million
$1
bucks in
million.
your wallet.
You ready? Let's hope this works. Oh, Sunny did a great
Cradle of
job.
love.
Of course.
Thank you.
Of course you did a great job. So,
Chocolate.
look at that, how nice that is, okay?
Oh my gosh, look at that. Wowzers.
Look at that.
I
Look
saved
at
it
that.
actually into
Sizzle
containers.
straight through.
I wanted to do this. I want to get that
Wow.
shot. You know that shot?
Hey, Zaddy, how you doing?
Wow.
You ready? Wow.
Wow.
All right, now we got
Hot
to do this
knife?
again.
Don't burn yourself,
yeah,
GZ.
Insane, dude.
I am
You're like,
insane.
oh.
I want it to look like a bar, so we're going to do a bar.
Oh, you got that.
Yeah, like a bar.
A bar.
Wow.
Katie,
You gotta put that
Oh my gosh, that's a big one.
look at that. But that's a bar, right? It's a bar.
that.
Yes.
It's like a gold bar, but it's a chocolate gold bar.
Yeah.
Geoffrey.
Crazy.
I love the way Katie has to address him first.
That's right.
Geoffrey.
First name.
These are not millionaire bars. They are billionaire
Oh.
Finally, we got to $1 billion.
I mean,
They-
you could say fulfillion, gazillion, dadillion.
bars. They are so rich. I mean, that's the only word for them. No wonder they're called millionaire bars. Because really just one bite is satisfying. Having that crunch of the shortbread there that gives you a balanced moment of not too sweet. Then with the caramel and the chocolate and having a little bit of flaky sea salt on there, blow your mind. I would put these in the freezer and then just have a little bite
Yeah.
here and there.
Late
They're
night
so
snack.
good.
Right out of the freezer.